Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, my hair is a mess. It's absolutely wild, so you know what that means. That means that we are doing a hair video today. So the first thing that you're gonna need is the Kanekalon ponytail or whatever type of hair that you're using. This is for like the oversized, big, huge bun look. A brush, ponytail holder. So let's jump right into it. I am going to take some of this light gel. So lay the hair down and then you're gonna brush it, get it into a ponytail. Nice slick ponytail. Now once you feel that you've gotten it slick enough, go ahead and get it into the pony. Works pretty good. Y'all see how my edges be sitting. Edges are done, everything is pretty much done. We're just on the last step, which is applying this. So I'm just gonna take this over and put it around my little bun, literally. Everything is slick. Pin it down with the bobby pin so that it stays in place, or else it's gonna just keep on moving. Now we twist like you rolling a blunt, and we're gonna just begin. This is the final look. If you want to go ahead and style up your bun, that's cool too. If you want to add any little jewels, any stones, the gold wire, anything like that, that's also very cute and fancy. Or you could, like I said, put little charms or whatnot in it. And yeah, it literally took like, what, 4 minutes? Super quick. This is like my go-to easy hairdo when I have nothing, you know, like when I just don't want to do a regular bun. So I say it's cute. Let me know what y'all think. Also, you guys got to see how I styled with the Style Factor edge control. So let me know what you think, if they laid my edges down good enough. I say yes. So thanks for watching.